YONANAS ice cream maker, it says. So I think it's supposed to kind of be like ice cream. It's completely dairy free. So I ran to Walmart neighborhood store and I picked up some frozen mangoes, and we're gonna go with some mango pineapple. And I read the instructions. They were very short. So all we do is put the fruit in, turn it on, and push it down. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start off with the mango first.
Yeah. But of course we should use like frozen fruit. So
yes, it has to be frozen because this machine, really all it does is grind it up and spit it out, so to speak. So let's see what happens. It's fairly loud. Did you turn it on yet? It's fairly loud, so let's see what happens here. Take a lot of mango to make some, but wow, look at that, that's kind of cool.
Yeah, look at it. Look at that. Next,
Kind of
taste
looks like
it.
ice cream. You taste
my hands.
Is it good? All right, let's try some pineapple now.
Like an ice cream.
Yeah.
Like you should not. You can. This is very healthy. Healthy.
I mean, it's 80 calories for a cup.
No, I mean you should. You're not adding milk.
I'm not adding milk, sugar.
The cream, sugar.
Nothing. Not adding anything at all. Just taking the frozen fruit, throwing it in here. I think they make you suggest you make it with bananas because it makes it creamier. It does. I think the banana would probably help it be a little bit creamier, but that's pretty cool. And it doesn't come out like, okay, let's see these pictures here.
Yeah,
like that. Not quite like that. It's more like that. But let's try it.
I mean, there's books included, so
yeah,
you can mix and match.
This is the pineapple.
Wow,
it's really good.
I tried it. It's really good.
Try the mango. We did mango pineapple.
Maybe just mix like together.
Yeah, that was good. All right. Want to try the banana?
Oh yeah, where's the banana?
So we're going to try a banana. I think this is what this thing got famous for, since it's the YONANAS. YONANAS.
Yo, yo.
All right. I didn't do a very good job. Let me put that in. Whoops. Guess I should take the cover off first. All right. This one is completely frozen to the...
Yeah, I mean...
Okay, so...
Next time we'll remove the... What do you call it? The
Peel?
Peel off or put in freezer.
Probably a good idea. Okay, let's see what happens to this banana. So now I'm going to give you a little banana mango. You ready, Joe?
Yeah. That's a good combo. Very good. So how did we? Although I unboxing this, can you show them how to put?
Yep. Very close. So this is the little plunger that goes down in, of course. Set that aside. And to put this together is really easy, and it's easy to wash. So you turn it and pull, and this is the only piece you need to wash.
No, there's a blade over there. You need to remove the blade.
Oh, okay. Well, plus you can get the rest of the ice cream out.
See, there's a blade. Ooh.
A little bit, not much.
But you can take it out and eat it.
Yep, you can lick the blade.
I know! That's not advisable, guys. Don't do that.
But let's see how easy it is to clean.
And this is your idea. I didn't know about this.
Yeah, I just saw it. Actually, I saw it on TikTok. Somebody said things you need to buy on Amazon, and this was one of them. So
yeah, this just like that.
So once the water gets hot, obviously the cold stuff starts to melt a little faster. Oh, this comes apart. See, I'm learning all kinds of new things here.
Yeah, I didn't remove that.
So it looks pretty easy to clean.
Be careful with the blade. Don't cut your
Back
finger.
together. Rinse this out.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it. Dump those in there. Oops. Set that aside. Okay, so we got berries in there. Link her up.
Not as creamy.
I think if you mix it all together.
Better
So you
with
got
banana.
Got your berry. This is still going to be good.
Ooh.
All kinds of fruit.
Wow. Looks
It's just like a smoothie. Very thick smoothie.
so cool.
Let's try it.
Good, am I?
It's really good. Cold. Alright, so here we go. The final product. What do we got? Mango, pineapple, banana, berries, blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries, and banana. I don't know if I said that or not. And 1 packet of Splenda. And
That's really cool. Delicious.
it's
really good.
delicious.
I like it with Splenda too. Sugar, a little bit sugar.
Add a little extra sweetness to it.
Yeah, but it's up to you. It's up to you guys. If you want more sweet or just a natural flavor of fruits.
Well, I'm gonna make it look. We're gonna make it look pretty.
I will make more.
We're gonna make it look pretty.
All right.